Hey guys, where is this new niupipo Pickleball paddle set of two for test and try. So you can see it comes in really a good carry bag and then also have a two paddle set and then four balls with a two handle grip, extra grips. So you can adjust this strap and easily carry it with the towel and stuff in the front mesh side. So it's a zipper model. So just unzip and then you can just take. So there are four balls that comes with it. So it's a really nice starter kit. So nice quality balls and the nice quality pedals here. So these are the two grip thing that you can put and then the pedals. So this is a really nice vibrant color pedals with a sweat absorption grip, anti-slip and two tapes as well with it. And you can see like the pedals is nice with a good performance thing and the play stuff. So it's easy to handle as I can feel it here. And then the balls also feel nice and the really nice quality one. So this is a good set, I will say, for the starter thing. And then easily, like you can see, like if I just try to play, it really works well with the pedal and the ball. So in the ground, it will looks much better. So hopefully, I can show that in the ground how this feels when I play with this. And these are the grip tape that you can put on the handles and then easily use them. So very nice pedal set to play.